Hey everybody, Mike Vacchi here, Princetontrader.com, midday update. Okay, so here's your open. They took it down a little bit. They found some support at our proprietary moving average, 5-minute mid. They took it up to trade as high as 69.75. So the longs that we had left over from yesterday, 56s have gone well. We gave people an option to try to chase it off the open, which paid. Now what's happening is we pull back into this key area. This is a key time of day to make a low. You see the opening print there, 63.5. You also see VWAP, volume weighted average price, in our proprietary moving level. Everything's centered between 63.5 and 65, and you can see the battle that's been going on here for the last 15, 20 minutes. We have taken profits on all of our longs from yesterday, and we are currently long against that OPG, against 63.5, to see if the dip buyers want to step in and do what they've been doing, which is pulling things back and then going ahead and making a higher high. If you make a higher high, chances are you're going to do a couple of things. You're going to get our proprietary upper level involved up at 71.5. By doing that, you engage the upper band on the daily chart, 28.71. And, at that point, if you convert the 71 area, then we're really starting to talk about, hey, let's go see what new all-time highs feel like. Sounds a little bit ridiculous to be talking about it, but it always sounds ridiculous until we go ahead and do it. So we're battling it out between 63 and 65. If they can't manage 63 and 65, it becomes a natural short against 65 to go down to 59 and potentially test the Globex lows from last night down in that 53 area. All right, trade them well. We'll be back at the close.